David, can we talk?
Of course. What's wrong this time?
You've been trying, and I appreciate it. But sometimes I feel like you're doing it just so I won't complain.
What? No, Amara. I'm doing it because I want us to work.
I know, but I want you to be honest. Are you truly happy, or are you forcing it?
Amara, listen, I'm not forcing anything. I'm learning. I'm learning how to love you the way you need to be loved.
I just don't want us to fall back into old habits.
Then we won't. But you need to trust the process. Healing a relationship takes time, and we're doing it together.
You really mean that?
Yes, and there's something I've been wanting to tell you.
What is it?
I've started therapy.
Therapy? For what?
For my stress, my communication issues, and for us. I want to be better, not just talk about being better.
David, that means a lot. More than you know.
I'm serious about you, Amara. About us. This relationship is worth fighting for.
Thank you, for trying, for improving, for choosing me.
Always. This is just the next chapter for us, stronger, wiser, and more open.